Hello. My name is Parviz. May I ask you a question?
Sure.
I am from Tajikistan. I want to know about our country. How is our country for you? You are coming to our country. You are from?
Switzerland.
Well, we are coming to as a tourist, yeah, to Dushanbe.
No, I work here.
You are all working?
Yes.
Just some of you come as a tourist, yeah. How is our Dushanbe for you?
Warum hast du es gesagt?
Как вам понравился наш город, наш Душанбе, столица? Вам понравился, нет?
Die Hauptstadt gefällt so.
It's nice. We just arrived. We just arrived here.
We've not seen so
No.
much yet. We arrived yesterday in the evening,
Yeah.
so we just tried
We
to
don't
look
want
at
to
the
make a
parade
video.
for today.
Why?
Because just
I am from Russia. Come to Dushanbe. We have a channel in YouTube. You can see our video. But today I come to Dushanbe to know about all of the tourists who came from Dushanbe, because this year our Dushanbe a lot of money building, beautiful building, do only for tourists. Welcome to Dushanbe.
thank you.
You're welcome. چون که برادران عزیز گفتم و شما در اینجا خارجی ها بسیار هستن و خواستم که بفهمم که اینها چی مقصد با کدام مقصد اومدن و چخیل تاجیکستان دوشنبه ما رو آنها چخیل با دیگران نشان دادن. یعنی آنها گفتن که بعضی جاشون چخیل که شما شنیدین و همه مردمی که از کجایی که نباشن معقول است دوشنبه، چون که دوشنبه ما به نهایت زیبا است. من ببینید هواش نغز است، آفتابی است. تاجیکستان وطنم. زنده باشین کل مردم تاجیک همه وقت در یاد وطن. زنده باش ای وطن تاجیکستان آزاد من.